Hey guys, this is how to get better battery life out of an iPhone 12 mini. Whenever I'm low on battery, I usually use these tricks, so let's start. First, low power mode. Go into settings, go down to control center, and you can enable low power mode. Now, pretty much after that, you can go and you can enable low power mode, and this does give a noticeable increase in battery. This will probably slow the battery drain about 20-30% in my usage. So yeah, it's definitely noticeable. Next, what you can do is you can go into settings, you can go into cellular, then you can go into cellular data options, data mode, and you can put this to standard. This will give some battery increase, but what you actually want to do, if you want better battery, go to voice and data, and put it on LTE or 5G auto. Yes, this will kind of disable your 5G in a way, but if you put it on 5G auto, what it will do is it will only toggle 5G when you need to use 5G for whatever reason, and when it will benefit you when you're downloading something. So if you really need better battery, you can put it on LTE, and it will just stay on LTE forever, or you could put it on 5G auto, or 5G on as I keep it, since I don't really need a lot of battery. But one note about 5G auto, it will say 5G in the status bar up here all the time. Putting on low power mode does disable 5G temporarily, but it will say 5G even when it's using LTE, but it will use LTE a lot of the time with 5G auto. That's just a note that I want to say. Next, check what apps are using background battery. So go into battery, then you can scroll down. So for me, there's some apps like My Radar, which will use a lot of background activity, pretty much. As you see, this used 56 minutes in the background, and that is about 7% of my total battery usage. And then pretty much any app that says background will be using your battery, and this app is a weather app, so it does use some background battery. Another thing that you could do is disable things like iCloud Photos if you don't use them. It will help your battery in a way because it will disable that background task of always uploading photos to the cloud whenever it can. Sometimes it'll wait for you to plug it in, sometimes it won't. I just find it random. But if you really need better battery, you can disable iCloud Photos too. So yeah, you can also disable some notifications on apps, since notifications will take up some battery usage. So if you're not using notifications on an app like, let's say, a weather app, you can disable those and you'll see a bit better battery. But yeah, in general, this is what I found does help battery when I need battery. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.